How to change your location on Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on More located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Account Info, which is the first option. Then you'll find your location in here. Above Language. This version is not available on my area, so there is no option for location above Gender or Language. You'll simply find Change Location option above Gender or Language. Simply change it from there. This is how to change your language on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.